AEG induction hobs are designed for better and faster installation, and you can replace a gas or ceramic hob with an AEG induction hob of the same size without having to do any countertop remodelling. However, all AEG electrical appliances should be installed by a qualified electrician or competent certified installer. Before purchasing your new hob, it's best to check you have a compatible power supply that has been approved by a qualified electrician, especially if you haven't had an electric hob before. This is because some induction programs draw a high current, and an insufficient supply will result in poor functionality. If you are switching from a gas hob to electric, you'll also need to ensure that all gas connections are capped off by a gas-safe engineer. Induction hobs are available in a variety of sizes, from 60cm widths to larger 80 and 90cm models. And unless you are remodelling your countertop or designing a kitchen from scratch, you'll need to make sure your new hob fits in your old hob's cutout. You can explore our full range of induction hobs on our website, and you'll find their model-specific aperture requirements in their user manual. Before installation, you'll also need to check the required space above and below your hob. For example, you'll need to ensure there is a minimum of 500mm between the hob and the hood, and generally a 55mm gap from the back wall and edge of the worktop to the hob. You'll find model-specific requirements in the user manual, which can be downloaded from the aeg.co.uk website. AEG induction hobs are one of the slimmest on the market and are compatible with worktops as slim as 12mm, giving you ultimate flexibility. When your new hob arrives, locate your rating plate on the underside of the appliance and either write down PNC and serial number or take a photo. This will allow you to register your appliance and will make it easy to identify should you need any assistance in the future. During installation, all wiring and electrical work must be done by a qualified electrician, and because of this, AEG hobs are not supplied with a cable. Our induction hobs are self-centering thanks to OptiFix pre-attached fixing springs. They also have a pre-installed self-sealing strip, making them easy to place. Unlike standard hobs, AEG induction hobs don't require a separator panel or front or rear ventilation, as air circulates underneath the hob, allowing you to make full use of your space and have a usable drawer or a built-in oven underneath. If you buy directly from aeg.co.uk, we offer an additional home delivery and installation service. If you need any more help or advice, either before purchasing or after your new appliance arrives, our dedicated consumer care team will be happy to help.